Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Online Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to share with you free image submission site list 2022, which has high DA, PA, and low spam score. And all these list which I'm going to share with you is completely free image sharing sites, and all the site in my list are real data, and I have already checked it for like it is free or paid. Then I have checked DA, PA, and spam score for each and every site. Okay, so let's move towards the next slide. Is need of sharing this free image submission sites with you is, what is the need, why I'm sharing this site list with you. As we all know, we can get these sites from from any sites. Like you just go to the Google and just type here free image submission sites, right? And you can see many result pages. You can see here like 60 plus image submission sites, 150 plus. But what is the main thing while submitting these sites, or while uh, if you are using this data 150 plus image submission sites, is that all the sites they have shown is not, first of all, free sites. Some are paid. Then you know uh, we always consider high DAPA, so some of the sites has low DAPA, and we consider the low spam score, right? And some sites maybe have high spam score, which is also not good. Because for submission, any submission activity, or for example for this free image submission activity, you always consider high DAPA, low spam score sites. Why? Because if you submit your website link to low DAPA and high spam score sites, then what happened, you can you got the spamming, you got the backlink from the spamming site, right, which has high spam score. And also that's domain authority and page authority is low. Means what, if your sites get more links from that this type of spamming sites, then obviously your rank in Google search pages or search engine result pages will decrease, right? Because your SEO value decrease. So always consider or always submit your any submission activity to high DAPA and low spam score site. I have already told you in my last videos that we consider the DAPA always greater than 20, or in a better way, consider 35 plus. And low spam score means you always consider the site which has less than 20 spam score, right? That sites are high authority sites and good sites for the backlink generation. Then what is the need I'm sharing this list with you? First is the, you can see, to save your time and effort, for making the data or making the list of this free image submission sites. For checking its, for every site we have to check its DAPA, spam score, and then we have to try to submit the image, and then we come to know that this site is good for everything. So when you get ready-made list, then your time and effort will saved, right? So this is the first. Second, to provide your real checked free image sharing site list with high DAPA and low spam score. That is also advantageable for you, because you got the list which is free as well as which has high DAPA and low spam score, that is the high authority sites. And third is to save you and your website from spamming websites. As I have already told you, if you submit your if you generate your backlinks from the spamming websites, you get your rank get reduced, or your spam, your SEO value get reduced. So these are the three reasons I am sharing the list with you guys. Then next slide is, this is my list. I have make this list of 20 plus high TAPA free image sharing site list 2022. I have already submitted the images for all these sites, so these are all real data, so you can directly use for your backlink generation activity. And if you want to this list, then I will share this shareable link for you to download this list of free image sharing sites. So this is the link, and I'm going to show you how to download uh, from this link uh, the list of image sharing sites. So what you have, I'm going to share this link in the description box below. You just have to you know copy this link like this, copy, then go to the Google, and just you have to paste in address bar, and you can see the result. So this is the high DAPA free image sharing site. You just have to go to the file and click on the download. Then you can select any format like Microsoft Excel, PDF, or anything. I'm selecting Microsoft Excel. Okay, and your list is ready. Here you can see the list. Okay, this is very simple. Now this is the shareable link. Now if you so you can get your list, and you have now the 20 plus image sharing sites which has high DAPA and low spam score, which is I have already mentioned in the sheet. So if you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe to online marketing channel. In upcoming videos, I'm coming with more such a types of videos, like SEO backlink activity, submission SEO, and you will get all the data real and checked always. And if you have any query, you can ask me in comment box. I will definitely help you. And till then, bye, take care, and thank you so much for watching this video.